Hi, my name is Samantha Stallings. I am 28 years old and I have homocystinuria or HCU for short. I was diagnosed when I was 23. Typically, HCU patients are diagnosed at birth. I was born in 1992 in the state of Kentucky, where homocystinuria was not on the newborn screening. So I was missed. And then my senior year of college, the spring semester, I started feeling really sick. Just didn't know what was going on, and I told my mom, and she goes, let's just see what's going on. And so then I went to my doctor after I graduated, and my neurosurgeon, and he said, nothing's going on with you neuro-wise. And so then he sent me a genetics to get a full blood panel of genetics. And about a couple months later, I was diagnosed with homocystinuria and Loeys-Dietz syndrome. Homocystinuria affects me primarily with how much protein I can eat. Most homocystinuria patients can have very, very little protein. I am lucky where my protein allotment is 45 to 50 grams of protein. And since I don't get the protein of a normal person my age, I have this formula that I take that helps sustain it. I've been a part of the rare disease community since I was 23, and I have been advocating for myself and for others with YAR, Young Adults of Rare Disease Legislative. For me purposely, it's been for the Medical Nutrition Equity Act because those formulas cost me at least $250 every couple months, and that, me being a preschool teacher, that is not sustainable with my income. So I've been very lucky to qualify for VitaFlow Formula for Success. And I've been living my life pretty normally. I haven't had many complications taking medications like a normal HCU patient. But my lifestyle has changed dramatically. I started taking medication, or I started taking everything when I was 20. Well, as soon as I was diagnosed, they put me on everything they could to try to decrease my homocysteine count. A normal homocysteine count is 0 to 15. Mine was at 250 when I was first diagnosed. I have gotten it down to 31. I still have a ways to go to get it down to 15, but I have changed my diet. Before I was diagnosed, my typical lunch was a turkey and cheese sandwich. Looking at the fact that now my numbers would not be anywhere close to 31 if I kept that way. I'm very lucky to have a supportive family that they're always there for me. They're always trying to help me find what I need to eat. We've been very adaptive. In the very beginning, I was very hesitant of trying new things, but my mom made a deal with me. If you eat it, I'll eat it. So that helped me a lot because I was scared to try new things, because getting out of especially when you're 23, 24, you don't want to change your diet, and that was me. So I went back to eating things that when I was little I thought were gross, and now I love them. So that's my story.